Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do another program in Java, that is Java data types in HackerRank. Let me open this challenge. So you can see here they have given description, reference, and input format, output format, and sample input and sample output with explanation. Okay, let's go by one by one. Java has 8 primitive data types: char, boolean, byte, short, int, long, float, and double. For this exercise, we will work with primitive used to hold integer values: byte, short, int, and long. So mostly for integers, we have used these 4 data types: byte, short, int, and long. A byte is an 8-bit signed integer, a short is a 16-bit signed integer, an int is a 32-bit signed integer, a long is a 64-bit signed integer. So this is the task actually. Given input integer, you must determine which primitive type are capable of properly storing the input. Okay, so you can see here a byte can store you can see here minus 150. Minus 150 means it can be only fitted in short, int, and long. Byte cannot store that much value because byte has only 8 bits. You can see here byte range of storing is minus 128 to 127. Short ranging from minus 32,768 to 32,767. Similarly, int, long, float. Just go to this reference one, you will understand. So, input format. The first line contains an integer t denoting the number of test cases. Each test case t is comprised of single line of integer n, which can be arbitrarily large or small. Okay, so output format, we have to print n value and can be fitted in, and also star with which data types it can be fitted. You can see here minus 150 that can be fitted in short, int, and long. So we have to print everything. Okay, so here you can see this 21,333 something. It can't be fitted in any of these data types. That means short, long, int, byte, anything is not sufficient to store this much big number. Okay, let's start with the coding. You can see here they have already provided some of the code here. So it is taking number of test cases, that is it is taking 5, and it is looping with that 5 things, and it is taking in long as well because we can't predict the size, right? So here the long is the largest data type, so that's why they are taking input with long. That means they are taking input completely. We just have to complete the code. Also you can see here they have completed code for byte 1. Then we have to complete only for short, int, and long. So we can see here if x is greater than or equals to minus 32,000, we can find the value here if you have any doubt. 768 and x is less than or equals to 32,767. Then we have to print system dot out dot println star short. You can see here one more thing. We are not mentioning any else here because if this condition satisfied, we have to print byte. If this condition satisfied, we have to print short. If another condition satisfied, we have to print that integer as well, because because they have asked it like that. If minus 150 is fitted in any of these things, we have to print everything. So that's why we are not writing any else here. So we are directly writing. So we can copy exactly same. We can paste this. Instead of short, we are printing long. We have to change this range. You can see here integer range is minus 2 power 31 to 2 power 31 minus 1. This was little awkward, right? So to writing every value. So instead of that, we have one more value, integer dot min value. Will return the same value as minus 2 power 31. Similarly here, integer dot max value. So this will print integer. If it is in, you can see here min value and max value holds the minimum value that can be stored in integer. You can see here that is minus 2 power 31 and the maximum value 2 power 31 minus 1. Similarly, we have to write for long as well. So I'm just changing it to long. Here I'm just taking long instead of integer. Long. So long dot min value, long dot max value. This will be sufficient. Let's try running the code. Only these four, right? Yeah, byte, short, int and long. Let's try running the code. By default, I just added some extra braces, that's why it's gone wrong. You can see now. Yeah, sample test case is passed. Let's try submitting the code. Yeah, you can see this. This is successful. And we got this congratulations banner as well. This is Java data types, guys. We'll meet in the next question. Thank you. Bye.